Hey everyone, and welcome! Today we're going to take a really good look at the Juice Plus fruit and vegetable blend. What's it all about? We'll dig into the why behind it, check out the science, and see how it's meant to be super easy to make a part of your day. So, let's get right into it.
All right, let's start with a question for you, and I want you to be really honest with yourself. Are you actually getting enough fruits and veggies in your diet every single day? For most of us, life is just so busy, right? It's tough, and a lot of the time, the answer is probably nope.
And hey, if that's you, you are definitely not alone. Not even close. Get this, the data shows that only about 1 in 10 adults is hitting that recommended amount. 1 in 10. That's a huge number of people who are missing out. It really shines a light on this major gap in how we eat today.
So this is what a lot of people call the daily nutrition gap. It's basically the space between what our bodies are screaming for, all those good plant-based nutrients, and what we actually end up eating. And, over time, that gap can really start to impact how you feel, your energy, your overall health. It really matters.
Okay, so what do we do about this gap? Well, that's where the whole idea behind Juice Plus comes in. It's designed to be a simple, whole food answer. A way to help you bridge that gap between what you should be eating and what you actually have time to eat.
And I love how this is put. It really breaks it down to its simplest form. 2 seconds, 4 capsules. And that gets you the nutrition from 20 different fruits, vegetables, and other plants. Think about that. It's all about making it incredibly easy to add that goodness into your life without having to completely overhaul everything.
So let's be super clear about what Juice Plus is and what it isn't. This isn't your typical vitamin pill or a synthetic supplement. Nope, it's considered concentrated plant-based nutrition, and that's a key difference. It all starts with actual whole fruits and vegetables, so what you get in the end is this wide array of nutrients that were in the plants to begin with.
All right, so talk is one thing, but what does the science say? Let's check out the actual clinical research that's been done on these fruit and vegetable blends to see what the evidence shows.
And wow, there is a lot of it. Juice Plus has been studied in over 40, that's 40, peer-reviewed scientific publications. And peer-reviewed is a big deal, It means other independent scientists and experts looked at the research, checked it for quality, and gave it the thumbs up before it was published. That's pretty much the gold standard for good science.
So what did all that research find? Well, the studies consistently point to benefits in 4 really important areas. We're talking support for your heart health, a boost for your immune system, plus benefits for your lungs and even your skin. That's some pretty amazing stuff.
And this is where the science meets real life. Check out this quote from Charles. He says, "Been taking Juice Plus about 15 years now and am never sick." I think that speaks for itself. Wow. That's just one person's story, but it's a powerful one, right? It perfectly lines up with what the research says about supporting immune health.
And stories like the one from Charles really get back to one thing. What's in the capsule? It's all about the quality of the ingredients. So let's follow the journey, right from the farm to the final capsule, and see what's actually inside.
Okay, so what are we looking at here? The ingredient list is pretty amazing, and it's all stuff you'd recognize. In the fruit blend, you've got powerhouses like apple, cranberry, orange, acerola cherry, pineapple, and even beet. And then in the vegetable blend, oh yeah, you've got spinach, kale, broccoli, carrot, tomato, and garlic. Just real whole food goodness.
And the company's really serious about quality. You can see they've got all the bases covered. It's plant-based, it's vegan, it's whole food-based, and gluten-free. But this one is huge. It's certified by NSF. That's a big-time independent group that tests products to make sure they're safe and that what's on the label is actually what's in the bottle. That gives you some real peace of mind. So let's bring it all home. How do you start your journey? The whole point is to make better well-being simple. This is designed to just slot right into your daily routine. No fuss, no major changes needed.
And when I say simple, I mean it. Here's all you have to do. Take 2 capsules of the fruit blend every day, take 2 capsules of the vegetable blend every day, and just do it with a meal and a glass of water. That's it. Seriously, that's the whole thing.
And that brings us full circle, right back to that nutrition gap we talked about at the start. We know it's a real thing for so many of us. So the only question left is, are you ready to do something simple to help bridge yours?
If you're curious and want to learn more, or maybe even get started, you should definitely visit Helene's Juice Plus site. You can see the link right there on your screen. And hey, for more awesome tips and info on all things health, wellness, and fitness, you've got to check out naturesmart.us. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I really hope this was helpful.